As we close fiscal year 2024, I'd like to take a moment to look back on the past year and share how we are thinking about the future. This year, the world has become even more uncertain. Tensions between the US and China stayed high. Conflicts continued in Ukraine and other regions. And major countries changed policies, causing large swings in financial markets. Even with all these changes, our core belief stays the same through technology. We will build a more connected, empowered, and joyful world. Now we enter the AI revolution. We are using the full power of the SoftBank Group to help realize artificial superintelligence and create a better future for everyone. Fiscal 2024 was a turning point. Our long-term projects began to emerge. In early 2025, we announced Stargate, a massive infrastructure project to drive forward AI. Crystal Intelligence, enterprise AI agents developed with OpenAI for companies across Japan. Follow-on investments in OpenAI. The acquisition of Ampere set to close later this year. These moves were not sudden. They are the result of long preparation. Now we are focused on creating value for people, for innovation, and for shareholders. Now, I'll share our financial results. At the end of March, our net asset value was 25.7 trillion yen, down 7.5% year-over-year, mainly due to a drop in ARM's share price. Since April, markets have been volatile. ARM's share price has rebounded, but the stronger yen limited the upside of our NAV. Our latest pro forma NAV is about 27 trillion yen. For the full year ending March 2025, our net income was 1.15 trillion yen. This is an improvement of 1.38 trillion yen from the previous year and our first annual profit in 4 years. This comeback was helped by strong gains from T-Mobile along with the solid performance of the SoftBank segment. In the March quarter, the Vision Funds gained $1.2 billion. Vision Fund 1 had a gain of $1.8 billion, mainly led by a rise in the fair value for ByteDance. Vision Fund 2 posted a loss of $0.7 billion due to weaker performance among its public holdings. We hold $36 billion in late-stage investments, including PayPay. And we have now invested in OpenAI through Vision Fund 2. As of March end, the fund had invested $2.2 billion. With our follow-on investment announcement, our total exposure could increase by $30 billion after full syndication. ARM had another strong year. License and royalty revenues hit all-time highs, with total revenue at $4.0 billion. This growth came from expansion of compute subsystems into sectors like automotive and by increased adoption of ARMv9. Looking ahead, we expect the spread of AI to edge devices will further drive ARM's growth. In fiscal 2024, we made significant investments but maintained our financial discipline. Our loan-to-value ratio at the end of March was 18.0%. Even with recent market changes, our pro forma LTV is about 20%, well below our 25% guideline level. While our LTV policy remains unchanged and we remain committed to it, we will invest in growth with confidence. Since January, we've taken big steps in AI. Stargate went from idea to reality. For Crystal Intelligence, SoftBank has taken the lead and is now moving to establish a joint venture with OpenAI. Our follow-on investments in OpenAI shows our belief in the AI revolution. Its technology is advancing fast, its user base increasing, and we believe it will continue to be a leader in AI. We also announced plans to acquire Ampere. We are excited to welcome its talented engineers to the group. PayPay, built through teamwork across SoftBank Group companies, has begun preparing for its IPO. We believe PayPay is a great example of what the SoftBank ecosystem can achieve. The technology revolution has changed over time, but we have always invested at its core. Today, that core is AI. In just 1 year, many key pieces to achieve ASI have started to come together. The Vision funds have invested heavily in AI, and the entire group is steadily moving toward our long-term goal. Looking ahead, our AI infrastructure, mainly provided by Stargate, will help power OpenAI's growth. OpenAI's technology will drive new applications, transform industries, and increase value across our portfolio, boosting SoftBank Group's net asset value. As we enter fiscal 2025, we remain focused, disciplined, and true to our mission. Thank you for your trust and support.